Welcome to Township. Now we will collect the final stars at Gumball Machine. And trying to make something at Seaside Vacation. Let's see the tasks. Win stars. Butter. Dairy. We need butter from Dairy Factory. I don't have enough time to make that butter. Corn. I collected the corn. I don't have cheap food. Now let's play the Gumball Machine. Maybe we make 1,200 stars. You really need 1,200 stars to make something at Seaside Vacation. A lot of red. So close. Oh no. Oh my god. So close. Too many red. This was very good. Yes, level complete. We need one more star and we will collect 2 coupons. We have 7 more lives and this is cool. Sorry for that sound. All the red is moving. Yes! Yes, we completed the task at Seaside Vacation. Oh my god. And we have 2 coupons. What task do we have? Play the mini game. We need to play 2 more times. And we will get a little reward. Oh no. This is very bad. We need to play one more time. And we will be rewarded just for playing. Five lives. Played 6 times. Oh my god. What do I need? Food for sheeps. But the barn is full. What we will do? We will make some materials. Let's get some food. Oh no, I need 4 hours. I need to play a lot. I have 5 lives. No. The levels are so dangerous because I think that the levels are so dangerous because are so many people trying to make some stars and they want, and the people that created Township from Playrix wanted to make the event a little bit harder, but not too hard. Maybe we will make it, maybe we will not. It's so hard because it's all moving. Oh no! I need some Township cash, but they all are here at the piggy bank. We need to have extra care. But you need to be very careful. Oh no. One more life. This is our last chance. Oh no! Let's expand. I cannot make any more things at the Gumball Machine. I tried my hardest. And I will get just 65 Township cash from the event. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.